I'm here today to talk to you about how small gestures can go a long way to making a big difference, and how can you adapt small gestures into your HMO business. So stay tuned and I'll tell you more. So coming from a 5-star hospitality background, we understand that the small things can make all the difference. So how can you introduce these small things into your HMO business, and how do they make a difference? So let me give you an example of a small gesture. Have you ever gone to a hotel and the staff has used your name and greeted you by your name? It's happened to me, and it makes me feel like I'm not just a number, and that I'm actually a person and they care about me and my experience in their hotel. Well, this is exactly the same for tenants. So we want them to feel like we genuinely care about them, and they're not just a monthly paycheck coming in for the rent every month. So let me give you some examples of how we can make our tenants feel special. So these are some examples about how we make our tenants feel a little bit special. Number 1, make a note of their birthday date, and a week before set up a reminder that it's their birthday, and then just send them a little card and a box of chocolates or some flowers or just a small gift, just to say happy birthday, and send it to the house. Number 2, send out treats for those festive seasons. Send out some Easter eggs at Easter. Send out pancake mix on Pancake Day, etc. These small things will just make the tenant feel happy. Number 3, for students, if you've got students in your HMOs, find out when they're graduating and send them a congratulatory gift or card, or just a small thing to say congratulations on graduating. Just make sure they definitely graduated first. Number 4, with your HMOs, you should have WhatsApp groups set up for the people staying in there, and you can send out them notifications of events or festivals or things happening in the area that they might want to attend. This will give them something to do, get them out of the house. You know, sometimes you find students are just spending all day, every day in the house, and then on the weekends when they're off they just sleep. But if you send them out notifications of festivities happening or events happening in the area, this will keep them engaged, this will get them out of the house, fresh air, give them, a refresher, on their days off, so that they're ready to go back to university the next Monday. So these are small things that just can really help your tenants and make them feel like they're important to you as their landlord. So how do you think doing these small gestures is going to benefit you as the management company or as the landlord of the HMO? So there are different ways you're going to see the benefits. These are: number 1, the tenants will feel respected, and therefore they will respect you. And if they respect you, they will respect your property. They will tell other people. Word of mouth is the best form of advertising and marketing, and it's free. All you have to do is look after your current customers or tenants, and they will tell other people. Number 3, they will stay longer. If they're happy in their property, if they feel like they're genuinely cared for, if they like you as a landlord or as a management company, they will stay longer. They will be happier, and there'll be less turnaround, less headache for you. Guaranteed monthly income. 4, it will create a community in the household. They will get along better with each other because they're all happier, and there'll be less clashes and less issues for you to deal with within the property, within the tenants. So as you can see, these small gestures, they help them, they help you, they help everybody. They go a long way and they can make a big difference, and they don't cost you a lot. So go out there, be creative, and think of ways to make your tenants happy. So thank you for watching this video on how small gestures can make a big difference. Be creative, have fun, find nice ways to entertain your tenants while they stay with you. And please hit that subscribe and like for more insider tips. Thank you.